Here you are.
Come vorrei, amore mio.
You're 1 hour late.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes, remember?
You smell like alcohol.
I'm very...
Enough of that, yeah? I don't know that my husband is with someone like that and I can just, welcome you because you're bringing fucking flowers.
So excuse me? Don't be angry like that.
It's supposed to be loving, no? See, you don't even want to kiss me anymore. You don't even shave.
You're disgusting me.
I'm disgusting you.
Yes.
I'm disgusting.
Yes. I'm your husband. I'm your husband. I know. You're always me because of my money, my network. If you got the opportunity to find a sugar daddy like me, you didn't hesitate to suck his dick. Don't do that. You don't do that. Repeat that! Repeat that! Repeat that! Repeat that!
You leave that one. You leave that.
What the fuck is this? You're a fool. What I thought. Fuck! Bitch! You're a bitch.
Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Be a good boy and fuck off. This lady doesn't need to be treated by a bully.
I mean, what are you?
I'm the locksmith.
Locksmith?
I'm the locksmith. I'm here to let people in.
Locksmith? In my flat?
Yes.
In my flat?
I don't know it's your flat. You have to show me ID. If you can prove it's your flat, I'll believe you. But you know you've got no right beating up on a woman.
Locksmith in my flat?
Out of order, mate.
No,
Go away.
I cannot believe that. I cannot believe.
Well, believe it.
I cannot believe. Locksmith? No, you are not a locksmith.
Look at me. Look at me.
No, yes.
Look at me.
Yes.
Why are there so many...
I want to talk with my wife.
I don't know. How do I know she's your wife? How do I know she's your wife?
It's my fucking...
Stop.
It's my flat.
Calm down.
It's my fucking flat.
Prove it. Prove it to me. Prove it. Why are there so many pictures of penises on the wall?
My wife.
Why do you have so many pictures of...
My wife.
How dare you?
Oh, hey man, hey bro, hey, you go too far.
Do not.
You go too far now.
No. And I don't need some cunt like you telling me what the fuck to do. So fuck off, you bastard.
Darling, please. It's not.
Don't touch it.
It's not your fault.
Don't touch it.
It's not my.
Okay, listen.
Shut up. Fais-toi des gars, tu shut up.
Give me my bag. Please. I want the bag.
Don't let me like that.
Can you give me the other box, please?
Don't let me
Just give
alone.
me, just give me. Please. No, you need to go. You need to go.
Ciao bella.